In this short video, I'll guide you through all the key differences you need to know between WhatsApp Community and WhatsApp Group. If you've ever wondered what the difference is between Community and Group and Broadcast in WhatsApp, this video will explain it all. We'll break down how these features work and how they can improve your experience. Whether you're a casual user or managing a large group, it's important to know what's special about WhatsApp Community. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With our years of experience, we've helped countless users understand the differences between related app features, including WhatsApp communities and groups. In this tutorial, we'll explore everything you need to know about these tools and how they differ from one another. Stay with me to learn the complete features of WhatsApp communities. Now, let's get started on the differences between WhatsApp communities and WhatsApp groups. To start, head over to WhatsApp Communities, where you'll notice that this feature allows you to organize multiple groups under one umbrella. This is different from a regular WhatsApp group, which is a single standalone chat room. In a community, you can manage several groups and set permissions for each, making it ideal for schools, neighborhoods, or large organizations. One key feature is that a WhatsApp community can have up to 5,000 members, while a WhatsApp group is limited to 1,024 members. Furthermore, WhatsApp communities include an announcement feature where only admins can post, keeping the flow of important information organized. In contrast, WhatsApp groups allow all participants to send messages, which can be helpful for smaller groups but chaotic for larger ones. If you're looking for more structure, this feature of WhatsApp Community might be what you're seeking. Before we continue with more differences, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with more key distinctions. Additionally, in WhatsApp groups, all participants can make voice and video calls, whereas WhatsApp communities currently lack this feature. However, communities compensate with better management tools, such as polls and pinned messages. This is especially useful if you're managing a large group with many topics to cover across different chats. If you want to know more about the new WhatsApp community features and how you can use them to grow your business, then tap on this link right here. It includes tips on how to make money with WhatsApp communities. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.